Hi, I'm Michael Wiesner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer. And today, I'm going to show you how to draw a coffee maker. Let's get started. Alright guys, to begin with drawing on our coffee maker, I'm going to first rough out how our maker is going to look. So we're going to have the heat plate right here. And we're going to have the main bottom part of the machine right here. Then we're going to add the top part to it right here. Now we've got that set up. Now we're going to draw out a little cord. Now we've got that. We're going to then draw out our coffee pot, like so. Let's not forget to put the lid on it. Darken that out. Now we're gonna go ahead and put a little handle right here because this is where you're gonna put your grinds and whatnot. Darken out our lines. We're going to add a handle to our coffee pot. Alright, then we're going to draw coffee in here. Darken that out. And if you want, you can add some other details to it, like put a little logo right here, then put some lights. And that's your coffee maker. And that's how you draw a coffee maker. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.